My plan worked. My plan worked. I didn't follow the plan. Kevin. Okay, traders, we got a few minutes till the market opens on up. What is going on today, guys? We are hunting. We are hunting for opportunities. H-U-N-T. Oh, my goodness. Any of you trade this one yesterday? Guys, the sympathy is real this morning. This thing is up from like, what, a few bucks to over 100. Unfortunately, it's in a T12, so that's never fun, guys. It's never fun, which I think is going to cause some fear, hesitation in some traders today. T12s are not fun for both long traders or short traders, but especially not short traders, because short traders, they got to pay overnight fees for like an entire month. If it's halted for a whole month, they got to pay overnight fees every single day for a month. You can blow up your account just on overnight fees. I'm going to be avoiding these sympathy plays, but there are several. Hunt is in the shipping sector. RBZ, this one's gapping up this morning. Very large, 744 up to 1555 right now. We had others in the shipping sector, GLBS, DRYS, gapping up a little bit, ESEA, SHIP, all these crazy shippers. I'm not going to be trading any of them, guys. I'm focusing on what works for me and my edge. Will I be aware of them? Will I pull out the popcorn and watch them? Absolutely. I love it, guys. But we have to understand the psychology of these trades, guys. You remember at the start of March? March has been crazy. At the start of March, we had BPTH. And then what do we have after that? We had sympathy on SEEL. SEEL was not very long-lived because, guys, it wasn't a squeeze. BPTH was a huge, massive squeeze of the shorts. Sympathy is only one side of traders getting into it. It's only longs. Shorts are more waiting for the backside of the move, understanding what happened with BPTH or HUNT. So when you understand that most of the traders getting into these trades are just long traders, they're going to get exhausted quickly. And that's what we're seeing, for instance, with CTRM. It's one of our other leading gappers this morning off of the sympathy, off of that shipping sector. And we already see it getting exhausted, getting heavy very quickly. What am I going to be looking at this morning, guys? I'm just focusing on the easy stuff that makes me money consistently every day. ANFI, this one's sitting at 180 right now. It's a larger float, about 40 million in its float. But what I like about this one is it's up from 30 cents to $1.80. But look at the pattern here and look at the resistance we're coming up to. The resistance is going to be really strong up here around 180. It's already tried to break it, has not been successful. It's going to be tough. I will have pretty tight stop on it. Very tight risk. We got 20 seconds till the market opens on up. ANFI, that one I'm looking at this morning to take a position on. We'll probably start on it a little early. Okay, traders, I went ahead and got filled actually at 180 on ANFI. 185 is going to be my stop there. But ANFI, this one is already working out. Probably going to stay in this one, maybe even add to it. That 180 is just going to be very tough, guys, looking at the past chart history there. Like I told you guys on CTRM with the sympathy, just like SEEL was to BPTH, CTRM is to HUNT. Longs are going to get exhausted quick. ANFI had a little drop at the start of the day. It's coming back up to 185. If it breaks 185, I'm out of this, guys. Traders, I actually just went ahead and got out of it at 184. I'm not liking it. It's not working out for me like the last few weeks. These stocks have been working. So I'm just going to go ahead and get out of that position. Small loss. I do have shorts on VKTX, and this does look like a bear flag to me on VKTX, but we've already dropped from 980 down to 870. That's my fear here. Where I don't want to be chasing a play, but this is a nice little bear flag, so I could be risking just kind of off of 880 there. And SHIP coming all the way back on down, traders. That one's halted. Didn't have any shorts there. I was interested in it, though, just because it was coming up to the 50-day. Really nice. Came right up to that 50-day. Has not been able to really get above it in a long time. Just didn't have any shorts there. That's what I'm looking for right now, just a high probability setup. Today's just one of those days, guys, where it's all like shippers from Hunt. It's just sympathy and it's wild. It's pretty crazy out. It's just making today abnormal. There's opportunities, but it's just a little crazy out there. And there goes VKTX just selling off big time on that bear flag. Didn't get my entry there, so now, traders, I'm getting emotional. Getting emotional because I did spot this bear flag. Could have gotten an entry there around 870. Oh my goodness, traders. This is absolutely mad. Alright, let's go over this. We just have the pole, so we drop. It's opposite of a bull flag. We have this pole. We're in a bearish move. We have defined resistance. Looks like we're uptrending a little bit, so it kind of deceives some longs. They're getting into it, thinking, oh, this is uptrending nicely. Then once we crack that trend, it's go time. That's the same thing here, guys. Personally, I trade a lot better when there's not a lot going on. when everyone's attention's not spread out among like 10 different stocks in the shipping sector and all this other stuff as well. Ah! And look at ANFI traders. I had 185 risk. I just got out of it. Emotions. Now it's at 171. Oh my goodness. My plan worked. My plan worked. I didn't follow the plan. Kevin, I didn't listen to myself. Emotions. I did not listen to myself because it was working against me. Climbed back up to 185. Man, Kevin, that is frustrating. Why did I do that? I was right on. Would have been right on ANFI. Could have taken the position on VKTX. I'm done. I'm done, traders. Not going to trade today. Again, I will accept a little red. Very frustrated with that. Kevin, just listen to yourself. Come on, man. That was just silly. You know, I should have added at resistance, not taking it all off. It was silly, guys. Absolutely silly. Well, traders, that's going to wrap up my trading day. It's coming up to 10 o'clock right now. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. And traders, if you haven't yet, hit that like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. We will see you all first thing tomorrow morning.